Stop devaluing your home. Are you inadvertently doing things that could lower its value? In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 blunders that homeowners often make, which are basically like throwing cash straight into the trash. And get this, avoiding the #1 pitfall could save you a heap of money. We're talking about thousands of dollars, folks. So stick around until the end of the video when I reveal the #1 most costly error that homeowners make, a mistake that could seriously dent your bank balance if and when you decide to sell. My name's Glen Hopkins. I'm a local realtor here in the South Surrey, White Rock area. If you need help buying or selling a home, or you just have questions about the real estate market, be sure to click on the link in the description box below to schedule a call. By the way, if you're new to this channel, we regularly create videos about everything to do with real estate and lifestyle in the South Surrey and White Rock area. So if that's what you want, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time we do a new video. Okay, so number 5, small fixes can have a big impact, so don't ignore home maintenance. Now, you might think, not much of a small leak or a tiny crack, but these minor issues can lead to a major headache. Think of your home as a living entity that needs regular care to stay healthy and retain its value. So a pro tip is small hinges swing big doors. Well, this applies perfectly to your home's front door. A fresh coat of paint on the door, ensuring the doorbell rings correctly and the door handle functions smoothly. They all might seem like tiny details, but trust me, they make a massive impression on a buyer's first impression. So these small touches of maintenance can have a significant boost on your home's appeal. Just remember that when it comes to your home's perceived value, the devil is in the details. And number 4, striking the right balance between personalization versus practicality. Now, guys, we all want to have our homes reflect our personalities. Am I right? But remember, there's a small fine line between unique and unsellable. Excessive customization can make it hard for potential buyers to see themselves in your space. Think about it. Have you ever watched the Netflix series Amazing Interiors? If not, go watch that if you want to learn about what not to do to your home if you ever want a chance at some point in the future of selling it. On that show, some people have converted their entire homes into a cat house for their cats, or a house of horrors, a circus house, and a Chicago Cubs cave. Now, if you have ungodly amounts of money or you never plan to sell, then go for it. Otherwise, think twice before doing that sort of thing. Number 3 is first impressions matter, so don't skimp on curb appeal. Never underestimate the power of curb appeal. Your home's exterior sets the tone for the entire viewing experience. Simple upgrades like landscaping and a fresh coat of paint, they can make a significant impact. They have a significant boost on your home's perceived value. So here's a quick fact. 2 of the most cost-effective ways to boost your home's value involve basic landscaping and a fresh coat of paint. Planting flowers, keeping the lawn neatly mowed, adding some fresh mulch, and giving your walls a new coat of paint are not just affordable, they offer a fantastic return on investment. All right, so just in a moment, I'm going to share with you the #1 mistake people make that massively affects their home's value. But before I do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. All right, so let's move on. Number 2, when it comes to do-it-yourself, know your limits. Do-it-yourself projects can be fun and fulfilling, but not all of us are cut out for every home improvement job. Poorly executed DIY jobs, well, they can be a major turnoff for potential buyers and even raise red flags during home inspections. I can't tell you how many homes I've seen and I've been in where DIY tiling and flooring have gone wrong. Tiling and flooring require precision, which most amateurs just don't have. Messy alignment, gaps, and unforeseen or uneven surfaces are common mishaps that just scream amateur. These flaws are quickly spotted by potential buyers who often roll their eyes because, well, they prefer to have homes that don't need immediate fixes, especially in something as prominent as the floors and tiles. So this can be a big turnoff and literally drive buyers away. And now, drum roll please, the number one thing that homeowners do that can devalue their homes. Don't do this. Number one is converting a spare bedroom. Converting bedrooms into other spaces can seriously devalue your home's value. Bedrooms really matter when it comes to selling your place. So changing how many there are or what they're used for can actually make your home less appealing to buyers. Most people want more bedrooms, not less. And the more bedrooms you have, the higher the price you can usually ask for your home. So think twice before you think about transforming that spare bedroom. Okay, so we've talked about how you might be devaluing your home, but the question still remains, what are you doing to increase the value of your home? If you're interested in learning some of my best kept secrets about increasing the value of your home, reach out. Just pick up the phone, call me, text me, email me, whatever works best for you. I'm here to answer your unique questions. Now, you're seeing other videos pop up right now. Start clicking on those videos to learn more about other things to do with real estate and lifestyle here in Surrey and White Rock, BC. So if you'd like, go ahead, schedule a call with me. Click on the link in the description box below. And while you're there, be sure to download my free copy of my Home Seller's Guide.